Some animals never forget and never forgive. First, the African buffalo. Hunters call them the Black Death for a reason. Wound one, and it might circle back hours later just to finish the job. Next, the goat. These stubborn geniuses remember faces for years. Treat them badly, and they'll ignore you, block your path, or headbutt you every chance they get. And finally, the llama, sweet until you cross it. Then it waits for the perfect moment to spit right in your face.